this is the Infinix Smart HD 2021, which was launched 6 months ago with some budget specs to meet the needs of some people. In this video, we will be unboxing the device together and I'll let you know if this device is good for you to buy or not. Without wasting much time here, let's jump to the video. Before we unbox the device, at the back of the box there are some specifications. This one comes with a 2GB RAM with a 32GB internal storage, a big 5000 mAh battery that can last for some days, 6.1-inch water drop screen and a 8MP AI camera with dual flash. So inside the box, you are first greeted with the device with some specifications on the sticker on the screen. So I'll put the phone aside for now. In the last floor is where you can find a 5W fast charging adapter, micro USB cable, headphones, a transparent case which looks good on the device, but taking it off is so stressful. Just look at this. Booklet and a screen protector. And this is all you get in the box. Looking at the device, the design looks good, especially at the back of the device, where you can find the camera setup, fingerprint sensor, the Infinix logo and the speaker at the down part. The device is completely not sealed, so if you have to put in your SIM card or add an external SD card to expand your storage, you have to remove the back cover first. At the bottom of the device is where you can find a micro USB port and a mic, headphone jack at the top, volume and power button at the side. For the display on the Infinix Smart HD 2021 comes with a 6.1-inch HD plus 720p resolution screen with a water drop notch. That is where you can find the front camera. On the Infinix Smart HD 2021 uses the MediaTek Helio A20 processor clocking at 1.3 GHz, which can do some light gaming for you, paired with a 2GB RAM and a 32GB internal storage. You can also expand the storage if you want to. The device runs on Android 10 Go edition with XOS custom skin out of the box. So do you know the Infinix Smart HD 2021 can last up to 5 days? Ask me how. Because it comes with a huge 5000 mAh battery and you also get a 5W charging adapter. So the reason why I'm saying it can last up to 5 days is because the processor in the device is less powerful to use more power or consume more power. The cameras on the device are not that good, but you can still maintain it. At the back of the device is where you can find the camera setup containing an 8MP camera sensor plus another 8MP AI sensor with a flash LED and can record videos in 720p resolution. 8MP on the front with a dual flash also. In terms of connectivity on this device, there is no 4G. All you get is 3G and 2G data connection. So here are some of my reasons why I think this device is good for you to buy. 1. If you need a device with long-lasting battery. 2. If you need it as a second phone. Not good for you to buy. 1. If you are thinking of taking pictures or recording videos on this device, it's not good for you because the cameras are not that good. 2. Because it has low processing power and can't handle extra big tasks for you. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on it, which I really appreciate. Subscribe, share and let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.